Quick and dirty number 3. We needed a new coat rack. So I made one. I had some nice pieces of wood from some doors and from a cupboard. And I cut the doors into little pieces for the sides of the cupboard boards. It's a nice and dark wood. Those are cupboard boards. Yeah, that looks nice. I measured the corner, the edge of the boards, and made the sides in the same angle. Then I cleaned them up a little on a little disc sander that I had from the Lidl, the Parkside disc sander. The belt sander is a Bosch, if you ever wondered. I drilled some holes for the copper screws that I have, glued the sides to it, and put the nails in place. Glued it all together. One thing I learned is that glue turns white if it's freezing, so better not use that if it's freezing. I marked where I had to put the screws in for the sink holders that I used for this. That's where it all started. I thought it was a funny look. Put some big screws in there. Oh, and yeah, I made some extenders to use the same holes that were already in the wall. Old coat rack, and there's the new one. Quick and dirty. Quick and dirty.